Hi, today I'm for the fix Xiaomi 13 and I'll show you the face unlock task on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and I will make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock option works so fast and correct. We just successfully unlocked the device less than in 1 second. This is a really good result for the face unlock. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful and don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.